You got the towel. And then you got the one you didn't know about because we grew up poor, the body towel.
Yes.
If my hood ass tried to take the body towel to the beach, I'm like, I don't know, I'm trying.
I'm the only nigga.
I'm like, I brought a towel, they brought spaghetti.
We the only niggas with Ramada towels on the beach.
I was thinking about, well, we stayed at, was it the Four Seasons or whatever hotel last time. I thought about stealing the towels because we've never stole towels or we've never really
robes
stole anything
like
from the hotel. They don't really got shit worth stealing.
Just because of the sign. Just because that sign says, like, yo, if you steal this shit, you got to pay for it. And it's just like, nigga, this $50.
Because we already pushed the limits. When they're like, yo, if you smoke, it's $500. I was like, it was like, for Showtime.
Yeah. That's what I'm very careful. Like, yo. I'm like, hold up. Whenever niggas check in, I'm like, wait, who put the credit card down?
Yeah.
If niggas is like, yo, so-so,
they're like, oh, it's taken care of already. I was like, oh, word?
Oh,
I'll have 4
less.
bottles of champagne and 2 penguins sent to my room right now.
Right now,
Thank
sir,
you.
please.
Thank you.
Can you put the penguins on a spit?
There you go. Just wildin'.
Yeah.
Just open the open bar, just like pouring shit on the ground for no reason. Like, $9 for a Coke?
Yo.
4 of them.
Yo, I'm going to flood the room for no reason.
We like partying like a rock star, just kicking the TV.
Turn the room into a pool.
I get mad embarrassed when I actually order room service and they come and they look at the room like, yo.
Oh, my man.
I was like, it was like this when I got here.